Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to reset this maintenance indicator right here on my 2017 Nissan 370Z. What you're going to do is you're going to use these two buttons right here, right above the indicator. And what you're going to want to do is keep hitting the button until you get to this menu here. And you're going to hit the circle button to go next, right to maintenance. Okay? And then you're going to use the square button here to use it as enter, pretty much. So we're going to enter, and then we're going to go down, use the circle again to go down, and we'll go to oil and hit enter. Currently I have it turned off, but if you wanted to reset it, you would use the button, the circle button, and go down, get it to reset, and hit enter. Okay, like here I can set it up. Let's go ahead and set this thing up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and set it for 3,000 miles. And now it's set. And then we're going to go back. And right now it's giving me the indication for tire. So I'm going to go next until I get to tire. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, it's set for 500. Some joker set this for 500, and currently I'm at 879 miles. So I need to go down, setting. We're going to set this thing up for 550. Okay. And I'll go ahead and reset it. Okay, now we're back at 0. And that's pretty much it. You can go into options, but it's pretty much how you reset the maintenance reminders on a 2017 Nissan 370Z. Thanks for watching.